Well, congratulations on becoming an affiliate with Livegood. My name is Nader Kazan. I'm the Director of Network Marketing with Livegood, and I just want to take a couple of minutes and personally welcome you to our Livegood family. Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm sure you've seen all over our website, at Livegood, our main goal is to help people to get healthy, stay healthy, and do that in an affordable way. And that being said, even though at Livegood, ladies and gentlemen, we do not have a product purchase requirement, I strongly suggest you get your hands on some of our life-changing stuff. I mean, these products are really shaking up our nutritional industry because they're so amazing. I'll give you an example. I'm hooked on our Super Reds. I believe it's the best and the most advanced cardiovascular product right there out there in the planet. I believe that from the bottom of my heart. And about $18, which makes it about 60 cents per serving, you cannot beat that. So, you know, we are a product company. We are a very product focused company. So definitely log into your Livegood website, click on the product section, read more, make sure to read the pro tips from Lisa and Ryan, and just handpick a couple of products. You know, maybe our lean pack, maybe our super reds, which I said, especially if you're a guy, you definitely want to get your hands on this. Another example, for the past 30 years, I've suffered from lack of sleep. I can't sleep more than 3 or 4 hours a night, 3 actually. And so I started taking our ultra magnesium and I started taking our CBD oil because at $1.20 a day, I can afford this. Everybody can afford that. Other companies sell these for 110, right? So I started taking these, and third or fourth night, I started sleeping a little bit more. And I called Lisa a week later. I emailed Lisa at livegood.com. Like, am I imagining things? And she said, absolutely not. These are the best sleep aids out there. So get your hands on some of our products. They come with 100% money back guarantee because we want you to be the product of the product. That being said, I'm sure you've also heard that in Livegood, there is no requirements for you to personally enroll anyone to take advantage of our matrix payout. However, let me just give you a quick analogy. If you found a parcel of land with 20-karat diamonds all over it, and all you could grab is just to grab a few of them for yourself. But you could grab more if you tell your friends about this parcel of land with 20-karat diamonds. Well, that's Livegood. You know, you just got involved. You don't have to tell your friends about this parcel of land, but don't you want to? See, our matrix is a 2x14 matrix. And this is what's going to happen if you choose to go out there. And I strongly recommend you to do so. You know, if you're going to place a product order, which you should, while you're waiting for your products to arrive, just go find 2 of your friends. Just find 2 friends that are smart as you. They see the potential of Livegood. They see that we're going to be the future of network marketing, especially nutritional network marketing, coming at people with the most amazing advanced products on earth. They are going to see what we're about to do. So when you get involved with Livegood, which you did, congratulations. You refer 2 friends at 49, just like you came in at 49. Many things happen when you do that. Number 1, you just made the entire amount of the money that cost you to join Livegood back in your pocket. You just made $50. So now you're whole. Number 2, congratulations. You just achieved our first rank. You just became a bronze. Congratulations on that. And by becoming a bronze, ladies and gentlemen, many things happen. One of them is you triple your matrix income. That's huge. That is huge. But think about what else you just did. You just put your 2 dearest friends as close as possible to you. So if and when your matrix grows, their check is bigger, therefore your match on them is bigger. And ladies and gentlemen, believe you me, all your friends are going to find out about Livegood. Why do you think we added the influencer bonus? Okay, so go out there, share our products, share your website, share your tour website with everyone you know. Shop Livegood website is unbelievable. Post it away. Welcome to Livegood, and let's bless the masses.